Barcelona is a worldwide reference in the world of architecture and design, but it is also a modern city that is home to many businesses that are committed to innovation and developing new products with real added value. Ciprotec is one such company. The principal motive behind Ciprotec's conception was to protect people, buildings, and systems from the effects of electrical surges and lightning. In a world where technology's role is unquestionable and irreplaceable, proper protection allows you to be more competitive on a business level and enjoy the greatest comforts on a domestic level. Ciprotec is a highly specialized business, a pioneer in the design and manufacture of efficient electricity protection mechanisms. We offer advice and solutions tailored to requirements of every sector. Ciprotec has become the premier Spanish manufacturer in surge technology and competes on an international level with major multinationals. We are a company that is committed to innovation and dedicates both great energy and investment in the manufacture of groundbreaking products of the highest quality. At the beginning of 2006, the installation of one of the world's foremost laboratories in surge generation technology was initiated. This latest generation equipment allows for the investigation and testing of all the parameters that the systems destined to require protection against surges characterize. That and the generation of lightning in real time. These tests allow us to guarantee the reliability and efficiency of our protection systems and facilitate the design of new products. Thanks to this constant quest for innovation, Ciprotec has managed to firmly establish itself in the worldwide market of electrical equipment. Our commitment reaches further than simply our business activity. Ciprotec form part of various Spanish and international regulating bodies concerned with surge protection, with the objective to drive and standardize the sector. Ciprotec boasts an extensive network of branches and is found in over 40 countries. We have a wide range of products that provide solutions to requirements specific to the field of surges and the effects of lightning. Our principal objective is to offer our clients a complete service. This is why our products are complemented by our design services, project assessment, and training for professionals in the sector. In the field of internal protection against surges caused by lightning, commutations, or oscillations, we have at our disposal systems that protect any network or system connected to an electrical network, telephone line, computer networks, databases, radio frequency systems, and many more. These are systems applicable to industrial and domestic electrical installations within a wide range of sectors, from automotive to mobile telephones, covering even energy and transport. When it comes to external protection, Ciprotec systems are designed to protect with the greatest efficiency people, buildings, and structures using advanced technologies for the control of direct lightning strikes. All Cyprotec products meet international standards like the IEC, EN, NFC, VDE, UL, IEEE, and national standards such as the UNE and the CTE. Always under quality control regulation ISO 9001. Cyprotec is certified by ENAC and UKAS according to regulation ISO 9001. Investing in training, Cyprotec is committed to the sector in which it operates. Its greatest aim is that professionals have at their disposal the necessary knowledge to implement the protection installations correctly.